Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on your Chevy Malibu. First, let's understand what Stabilitrak does and why it's crucial for your vehicle's safety. This advanced system actively monitors your driving conditions, making subtle adjustments to help keep your Malibu stable, especially during challenging maneuvers or on slippery roads. When the Stabilitrak light illuminates, it's your car's way of telling you that this important safety feature needs attention. Several factors can cause your Chevy Malibu's Stabilitrak system to malfunction. One of the most frequent culprits is a faulty wheel speed sensor, often referred to as an ABS sensor, located near each wheel. Problems with the steering angle sensor, which tells the system your steering input, can also trigger the warning. Additionally, engine misfires, a dirty throttle body, or even a weak battery can lead to Stabilitrak issues. Before seeking professional help, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can try. Start by checking your battery's charge, as low voltage can sometimes cause electronic systems to act up. Ensure your tires are properly inflated, as uneven pressure can impact sensor data. You can also attempt a system reset by disconnecting your car battery for about 10 minutes. For a more precise diagnosis, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to read any stored fault codes from the electronic brake control module. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, more advanced fixes may be necessary. Replacing a faulty wheel speed sensor or a worn wheel bearing is a common repair. If engine misfires are detected, inspect and replace spark plugs or ignition coils as needed. For issues related to the electronic brake control module or the steering angle sensor, professional diagnosis and repair are often recommended due to their complexity. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.